Get him!
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. And if you guys want to follow the Instagram, I'm going to drop that right below. This morning, we are out in a cut wheat field, and we're going to be doing some more goose hunting. Me, Dustin, and Collin were out scouting last night, and we stumbled upon a wheat field that had like 300 birds in it. We're going to start unloading stuff, set the spread up, and we will get back to you guys when we are done. How's the drive, Collin?
This is the first drive of the year where I didn't fall asleep.
Oh, yeah. Hey, we're just going to do a little hay bale renovation.
Same two flocks just circling?
Yeah.
Alright guys.
Here we go. Shot, baby.
Shoot him!
Yeah!
That one's gonna land right here too. Ooh, somebody's gonna get him. Who's shooting? Shoot him!
I don't know if I got him.
Let's go, boys.
Is that you, Cash? Okay, that was the first flock of the morning. We heard the geese. This is gonna be an awesome morning. Those things came out of absolutely nowhere. I think we wiped that whole flock out, so awesome morning so far. We're gonna wait on the rest of these geese. We hear more geese right now. Stay tuned. This is gonna be an awesome hunt. Oh God, yeah.
Caught him!
Oh my God. All right, my GoPro fell off my head. That is the first group I shot at. That was a little bit bigger flock. And as you guys saw in that clip, I shot the first one and then they came right over the top of us and my GoPro went right off my head. My whole hat came off my head. So I apologize for that. My hat's a little bit tighter now. And hopefully the rest of the clips aren't trash like that. But awesome morning so far. Stay tuned. We're killing birds.
There you go. Should you get the one behind the hay bale too?
Yeah.
I got that
one.
Should just brought the big camera. Did you get two from down here too?
I think so. I saw her get one over there.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully my gun don't.
Yo!
No, that was pretty good shooting, boys.
Nice.
All right, you guys, well, the rain is kind of picking up and getting a little heavier, and we're all getting kind of wet now, but I'm going to put the big camera away and just run my GoPro because I don't want to get my camera wet and ruin it. We just shot like 7 or 8 out of that last flock. I think I only got like 1 shot off. We had some pretty good shooting there, so they kind of ripped past us the first time, and Dustin didn't see the back flock. Otherwise, we would have called it before. We're going to clean these birds up right now, and then I'm probably going to be vlogging and videoing on the GoPro so I don't ruin my big camera here. Hopefully we can get a few more flocks in for you guys and kill a few more birds. Should we kill him?
Get up!
Yes, sir!
Nice.
Good stuff, fellas. Good stuff.
Heck yeah.
Well, we had a 4
Beautiful.
out of nowhere.
That was the first flock of birds that actually put down where we planned on them putting down or where we wanted them to, and I think we all got shooting in there. We wiped that whole 4-pack out. There was another flock of geese that came in behind us and they put down, I don't know, a couple hundred yards behind us. They didn't come up by us, but the dog is picking these birds up and then we're gonna be ready for more action here. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys.
Shoot him!
There goes another 4.
Beautiful.
Let's go. Well, again, another.
Get him!
I seen that. You hit that last one.
All right, well, I don't think I hit anything on that one. Cash gave me a venison stick and we had a whole flock coming, so I just started eating it as fast as I could and almost choked, so that's my excuse for not hitting anything. That was a nice flock again, came in behind us and tried to set down right next to our A-frames.
It got greasy, that's what happened.
You still have your venison stick? I had to chow mine.
I was shooting with it in my mouth, I was like, woo!
I did not hear that noise. Now,
Woo!
yeah, I didn't hear that once.
Watch that clip again. Get him! Woo! Woo! Get him!
I think the old one.
That was a fight. I feel bad. That was everyone
Yeah.
going down.
Oh, they're like someone getting
Yeah,
shot
that
on
was
the
fun. Get him!
Nice shooting! Oh my god!
Okay, we just had another big flock come in. We had a pretty good volley on the first group that came in, and then they swung around us again, and we got some more shooting in. We do have another flock coming right now. Should we try them?
No.
There's another 6-pack coming low. Yeah, dog. That 6-pack's coming low.
Yeah, it is.
Right over.
I'm gonna call it.
Yeah.
Kill him!
Got that one on the third shot.
I wasn't even.
There's 4 more. I didn't either. The last few groups have done it pretty good. We had that one group that came in, and then that 6-pack came super low over us, and I think we got 4 out of the 6 of those. Birds are getting cleaned up right now, and I don't know, it's been an amazing morning. I think we're probably at 40 plus birds right now. We don't have an official count, but we're gonna wait a little bit here. The rain has let up a tiny bit, but we're cleaning birds up, and then we're gonna wait for more geese. Pretty good morning.
Cameraman got out of the A-frame. I was chasing this goose, cat and mouse. I got him though. I know this is crazy. I don't know if Luke's told you yet, but we're probably at, I don't know, 50, 60.
Yeah, I said 40 plus for sure. Like
That's
definitely
like,
40.
It's like continuous flocks coming like every 5 to 10 minutes. But the only thing that sucks is obviously the rain, but I don't think we care right now.
Get him!
Come on, one more. Oh. Holy. Come on, one more. Well, we had that big flock come in. We're getting a count on the birds right now, and we are going to let you guys know what we are at for a number. 63. We're at 63 birds.
63 birds.
It's like, that was kind of lit. We're at like 63 birds. Well, we're at 63 birds, and it is like, what, 9:15, 9:20, Collin?
9:07.
9:07. So I think we're gonna stick it out a little bit longer, but this has been an amazing morning so far, and this has worked awesome. It is so cool shooting these geese in the fog like this and them just popping out of nowhere. It's worked awesome.
You want to know what I think? I think I'm real glad we came out here in the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We weren't even gonna come out this morning. We were debating it.
Yeah, we were just gonna go to the bar last night, which we still did. Instead, we decided we were gonna hunt in the rain, and it's a good thing we did because
It paid off. Our hide is absolutely mint. I don't know if I showed you guys the hide. So we got a hay bale on each side of us, as you guys can see. And then we got 3 A-frames in the middle, and they are stubbled nice and thick. You need help, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, well, who's gonna help me up then? Because I'm the same size as you. Ready? Ah! Glad we came out this morning.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, we were still like debating on if we were gonna come out this morning because we were looking at the radar last night, and it said like 80% chance, like all morning, of rain and thunderstorms. Right when we got here at like 5, it started like sprinkling. It was sprinkling all morning, and it wasn't too bad, honestly. But I mean, yeah, it ended up being a great hunt. 64 birds, our biggest hunt in wheat field this year, and mulch are coming soon. So you guys stay tuned for the molt vids.
Okay, you guys, well, as you saw, we are wrapping the hunt up. We just piled all these geese up, got some pictures, and this was an amazing hunt. I think we shot 64 geese this morning, and that fog, this is the first field we have hunted this season. I don't even think we hunted a hay bale field last season, but it's really cool hunting a field with all these hay bales out here, and it is a switch up of scenery for sure. So we all had a very good morning. It was really fun. We didn't know what to expect with this rain and this storm pushing in this morning, but it turned out to be a great morning, as you guys saw. 64 bird morning, and we're gonna pack up and get the heck out of here. The rain finally just let up. Of course it did once we stopped hunting, but at least we were able to drive back out in the field and it was dry enough to not track this field up. So we're gonna pack everything up right now, get out of this field. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. We're gonna have a lot more content on here this fall, obviously. Goose hunting, waterfowl hunting, bird hunting, deer hunting, pretty much everything hunting wise. Make sure you guys click that like button, comment below on the video, and we will see you guys on the next video.